This is a $50 Android phone, brand new. Yes, $50 for the Mobicel F52, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's see how the unboxing went. Now, there's the phone itself, but let's set it aside for a second. What else is in here? Oh, a USB-C cable using the old big USB-A on the other side. Cool. Then we have what appears to be earbuds. Oh, or rather, it appears to be an earbud. I know the kind of quality you get from this type of bud, but I mean, I wasn't expecting this accessory for the price. Then there's the charger head. Absolutely good to see. Dude, $1,000 phones don't even come with a head anymore. So yeah, gotta love this. Oh, there seems to be more stuff in the box. Man, this is getting ridiculous. This is a battery. Oh, so this phone has a removable battery. Oh, 2,200 milliamp hours of it. Interesting. Hadn't seen that in a while. And looks like some paperwork, your warranty card, good. And interestingly, a guide on how to install WhatsApp. Yeah, I don't believe I've ever seen this. So I guess this just goes to show you that Mobicel is targeting first-time smartphone users with this phone who might not know how to get an app on the phone. So, it's a nice touch. Then there's a hefty little phone manual. Covers pretty much how to do anything with the phone. Unnecessary if you've been using smartphones for years, but a huge help if it's your first. I see what they're doing. Customer care contact details. All in all, this is a really good package for $50. Now, let's get to the phone. First thing, feels surprisingly good. And I don't really know where, but I think I've seen that camera arrangement before. Anyway, we have a headphone jack and USB-C port up top. Your speaker grill and mic at the bottom. Now let's pop the battery in and get to the good stuff. Well, there's the dual SIM slots and the memory card slot, which should be handy because the phone comes with 32 gigabytes built in. Now let's skip some of this setup stuff and get to the home screen. And we're in. But I hate that wallpaper, so it's too busy. Let's take a peek and set it as a wallpaper. Okay. Initial impressions, man. This phone feels way more fluid than I expected. Can you see just how flawlessly I'm navigating the phone? And here's the settings and what the phone is packing. 32 gigabyte storage, as we mentioned, 2 gigabyte RAM, but with that whole extending thing to 4. And with Android 14, let's get out of here. Let's open some apps. First thing, I think I want a better wallpaper, so let's download one and see how that whole process goes. Well, surprisingly, no issues. Wallpaper set. And last thing, let's get WhatsApp on here, and maybe Facebook Lite as well. I think that's all we need, right? Okay, takes a little while to install, but we're in. See, I'll set everything up and use this phone as my main phone for the next week and see how that all goes. So stay tuned to see how life is like with a $50 smartphone.